about 650 grams of lamb liver, washed and cut into small bits, and I'll marinate that with ginger garlic paste, about 2 teaspoons of ginger garlic paste, a little turmeric powder, and about 3 cloves, little cinnamon, few pieces of cinnamon, 1 green cardamom, and bay leaf. So I'll marinate and keep for about 10 minutes. Heated a pan and added about 3 tablespoons of oil. Now it's hot. I'll add the onions, about 1.5 big onions chopped fine, and fry it for about 4-5 minutes, just to take off the brownness, let it come to a little golden brown. Add 2 green chilies, chopped green chilies, and fry for about a minute. Add 2 medium tomatoes finely chopped, and mix it and fry. For about 4 minutes. Add red chili powder, about 1.5 teaspoon, 1.5 teaspoon coriander powder, and half teaspoon of turmeric powder. Mix well and let it fry for about another 3 minutes. I've kept it a little longer now, 3 minutes now, because I want to see the oil come out of it, and before I add the liver pieces. The masala is ready now, so I will add the liver pieces, marinated liver pieces along with the spices, and mix it well and fry for about 3 minutes. Then I'll add about 3-4 tablespoons of water and cook it on slow fire, so that it remains soft and not hard, because you shouldn't want to overcook it. Now I'll add the water, about half cup water. Mix it well and cook it for on slow flame for about 10-15 minutes, but not longer than that. Every 5 minutes, just mix it again so that it doesn't touch in the bottom, and continue cooking. Add salt, about 1 teaspoon, a little more depending on your taste, and mix well. Let it cook. Yeah, now it's cooked, so I'll add about 1 tablespoon of garam masala powder, sprinkle, mix. And then sprinkle some coriander leaves. Then and put off mutton or lamb Kaleji Masala fry. Close that and keep it closed for about 10 minutes and then mix it and serve.